Hello friends, today we are going to study Maxima minima under mathematical tools. Maxima and minima. Before studying maxima and minima, we must know the meaning of dy by dx when y is a function of x. So dy by dx, what is the meaning of dy by dx? Dy by dx, its meaning is it is slope of tangent. Slope of tangent to the curve at a point. In the last class, we have studied this that dy by dx actually means slope of tangent to the curve at a point. So, when we draw a graph, this is your y-axis, this is your x-axis, and suppose this is a graph. This is any arbitrary graph. Now for at any point, what is the meaning of dy by dx? Dy by dx means slope of the tangent to the curve, and we know that slope means tan theta. Slope is your tan theta. Slope is your tan theta, where theta is the angle. Theta is angle with positive x-axis. Here slope is your tan theta, where theta is the angle with the x-axis. Now slope of tangent. Slope is your tan theta. Now what is your tangent? So we know that tangent, suppose at this point we have to draw tangent. So what will be the tangent? The tangent will be like this. If we are asked to draw tangent at this point, the tangent will be like this. If we are asked to draw tangent at this point, tangent will be like this. So what is the tangent at a point? What is the tangent? Tangent, the line which touches a single point. We know what is tangent. Already we have studied tangent and slope. So for this point, suppose this is your point P1, this is your point P2, and this is your point P3. How we will calculate the dy by dx? So at point P1, dy by dx actually means this is the theta 1, this is the theta, this angle here, this is your x-axis, so this will be your theta 2 and this is your theta 3. So this is the tangent. Now slope of the tangent means theta, tan theta. So if you are asked to calculate dy by dx at point P1, dy by dx at x is P1 will be equal to what? Tan theta 1. See here, this is your, what is the dy by dx at point P1? It is tan theta 1, because slope of tangent, tangent is this, and tan theta gives the slope. So this is when dy by dx at x is equal to P2, it will be tan theta 2, and likewise dy by dx x is equal to P3, we will have tan theta 2, tan theta 3. So as per the angle, we have the value of dy by dx. So this is the meaning of dy by dx. Now the question is here, what is the tan theta 1, whether it is positive or negative? This angle is less than 90 degree and greater than 0. So this theta 1 comes in your, this theta 1 is in your first quadrant, and as theta 1 is in your first quadrant, and in first quadrant tan theta is your positive, so here tan theta is your greater than 0, means it is positive. Likewise, so this means that the value of dy by dx at this point P1 is positive. So we will write dy by dx for this point, dy by dx is positive. For point P2, here again the angle is acute, that is it comes under first quadrant, and so we will have greater than 0, and also it is positive. Here tan theta 2 is your positive, and at point this is also positive. So dy by dx is positive here, also here it is positive, and also here it is positive. So in all these graph we are finding dy by dx positive. Now we take another graph, and we take another graph. For example, now here we take different points. Again we take this as point P1, this as point P2, and this as point P3. What is the value of dy dx at point P1? For that we will draw the tangent. So this is your tangent at point P1, this is your tangent at point P2 and this is your tangent at point P3. Suppose this is your angle theta 1, angle theta 2, and this is here theta 3. For this, it is the parallel to this, so its value will be 0. So parallel means angle is 0. Whenever two lines are parallel and we are asked that what is the angle between the two parallel lines, so angle will be 0 degree. Here the tangent is parallel to the axis. Here we write it as a x-axis and this is your y-axis, and also y is a function of x. So in that case we will calculate dy by dx at x is equal to at point P1. So here again it is the angle comes under first quadrant, so here it will be dy by dx will be 0, that is positive. So at this point it will be positive. Now calculate dy by dx at point x is equal to P2. Here we are finding that this angle is greater than 90 degree and less than 180 degree. You can see if you draw angle here, this angle is your 90 degree and it is greater than 90 degree, and this is your 180 degree line, so it is less than 180 degree and greater than 90 degree. So this comes under second quadrant, and in second quadrant the tan theta is negative, so its value will be less than 0, that is negative. Again dy by dx x is equal to P3 point, this is equal to 0 because tan theta, tan 0 degree is equal to 0 degree and theta is here 0 degree because the parallel lines means 0 degree angle. So this was the value of dy by dx, and dy by dx is actually slope of the tangent to the curve at a point. So we got this, that what is the dy by dx in the graph, whether it is positive or negative. Now we will calculate the value maxima and minima. Now consider here a point this P4, this point P4. At this point, if we draw in the graph, we see that the minimum value at minimum value and at maximum value, this value is maximum and this value is minimum. For that we draw another graph. In this class we learned that how we can find the dy by dx, whether dy by dx is positive or negative. In next class we will find the maxima and minima.